This is the story of how the gunships came and I was there. I wasn't there. This is not my story to tell. It's the story of the men who were there, the ones who fought and those who fell. It started like any other mission. Orders received, preparations made, equipment checked. There was a convoy of enemy tanks moving across a ravine, heading west. They hadn't spotted the Americans yet, but soon the enemy would see them too. From the sky, two AC-130 gunships rumbled through the broken clouds like angry gods, their engines growling, sensor lights flickering, scanning the ground below for targets. On board, gunners and observers watched, waited, their eyes sharp, their fingers hovering over the controls. Suddenly, movement. The green light flashed. The 25mm Gatling gun on the AC-130 spat fire. Tracer rounds streaked through the darkness, illuminating the targets below. Tires burst. Fuel trucks at the rear of the column ignited, exploding in a spray of flame and smoke. Below, the soldiers on the ground cowered. One of the tanks shuddered, revealing the crew in the harsh spotlight. For a moment, they were all that illuminated landscape before vanishing back into the shadows. A sharp roar echoed through the valley. The 105mm howitzer on the AC-130 belched out a round, slamming into the side armor of a T-90 equivalent tank. Fragments and fire erupted in a violent spray. The tank's main gun fell silent. Its tracks buckled and melted like hot metal. More tanks exploded as streaks of light tore through the darkness. Attack helicopters, Apaches perhaps, banked low over the hills, bursting with rockets, their pods spitting missiles, each one a fiery death, tearing open the flank of the tank formation. Armor buckled. The ground shook as explosions bloomed like monstrous flowers. Thick smoke rose in pillars toward the sky. The enemy wasn't finished yet. Infantry scrambled from their cover, anti-aircraft guns blazing, shredding the night sky with bursts of flak. Tracers arched through the air like deadly ribbons, but the gunships were relentless. They flanked, circled, poured fire on the enemy positions. Forward observers directed the onslaught, laser pointers dancing on the targets below. More rockets, more shells, more tanks erupted in fire, their hulls smoking and charred. By dawn, silence had fallen. The battlefield was a graveyard of tanks. Smoke drifted across the ruined landscape as American Special Forces moved in. They secured the area, finding broken steel and burned earth, the remnants of a force once feared. The survivors limped back to safety, shaken but alive. They had stared into the abyss and lived to tell the tale. And so the legend of the gunships grew, a testament to the power of air support and the bravery of those who fly and fight beneath the gunships.